When we start complying to the natural laws, we start educating our children about these laws, about how to really live here in compliance to what the ecological spirit is saying. That's when we make real change. The change isn't changing the government. The change is changing ourselves. And that's only going to happen through education. You know, one time I asked my grandmother, I said, what is Bimaadiziwin? It's a saying that we have. It means a good life. I said, what does Bimaadiziwin mean to you? She goes, well, what does it mean to you? I said, well, I want to have a truck. I want to have a nice house. I want to have a bunch of money. I want to have a girlfriend. I want to have fancy clothes. I want to have all these things. And she says, that's not Bimaadiziwin. And I said, oh, well, what is it? She says, when the rivers are filled with fish in the springtime, and you can reach in there with your hand and grab one, and then grab a cup and drink the water from there. She says, that's Bimaadiziwin. She says, when our lands are pure, when you can drink out of any stream or any lake, when the animals are respected, and when we're poor, when we only have enough just to get by so that other things can live too. She says, that's Bimaadiziwin. That's the good life. And that's what she told me. And so when you look at society, there's a huge amount of pressure to be successful. And when you Google the most successful person on the planet, it's all these rich millionaires and oil tycoons, and they're mostly males, that come up as the most successful. But it's funny that they never include, ecological success or happiness or how people are able to thrive together with the natural laws. That never ever comes up as being successful. And so we have to, I believe, try to redefine what success really means. And that's something as teachers and educators and parents, it's our job to teach our children what that is.